Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Hummer H2. 2006 Hummer H2, command the road with unmatched power and style. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hummer has less than 152,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, have we got a treat for you? Feast your eyes on our 2006 Hummer H2, the beast of the roads. Powered by a 6.0 V8 OHV16V engine, it's the ultimate vehicle for making a statement. Loaded with everything you need: power windows, door locks, seats, mirrors, and more. Adjust your seat, roll down the windows, and show off to your friends with ease. The exterior of this Hummer H2 is Slate Blue Metallic, a striking blue that will make other cars jealous. The interior? Ebony premium leather, offering a luxury hotel feel on wheels. With less than 152,000 miles, this H2 has been treated like royalty, averaging under 8,000 miles per year. It's in excellent condition, almost like it just rolled off the factory floor. And the best part? A clean Carfax report. No accidents or major issues. Reliable and feature-packed. So, what are you waiting for? Come down to our dealership and take this Hummer H2 for a spin. You won't regret it, and neither will your neighbor. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, traction control, tow hooks, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.